if n is a positive integer, what is the tens digit of n? So n at least has a tens digit. We don't know how many digits, but let's just pretend it has 2 for now. And we are asked what the tens digit of n is, so we want to know 8. Now it can have more digits, but you would still want to find the tens digit only. Okay. Now statement 1 says the hundredths digit of 10n is 6. Okay, don't think that this is like 100 and that n is a digit. Okay, it should say that. Now, whenever you see a number and a variable, always think that it is multiplying. Okay. They will make it very explicit if the other case is true. They will say like this is a 3-digit number where n is a digit. Okay, but we already know that n has a 10 digit, so it cannot be just 1 digit. So it's telling us that 10 times n has a 6 in the hundredths digit. Okay, so if I take the a, b that I wrote before and I write that 10n is now a, b, 0. Okay, let's just put a straight line above so that we don't confuse it with multiplication. Okay, now the hundredths digit is 6, and that is exactly what we were looking for. We were looking for a, so it's sufficient. Okay. Now statement 2 says the tens digit of n plus 1 is 7. Now there are some students that misread this statement. They think that it's the tens digit of n plus 1 is 7. Now that is wrong, because that would mean that the tens digit of n is directly 6, and 6 plus 1 is 7. That might be true, but what they are really telling us here is the tens digit of n plus 1 is 7. Okay, the tens digit of n plus 1 is 7, which means that n plus 1 is 70 something. Okay, if we assume that n plus 1 only has 2 digits, it is 70 something. Now, what are the possible values of n? Okay, n could be 69, because 69 plus 1 is 70, and the answer for the question in this case would be 6. Okay, so we have one answer. Now n could also be another number, like for example 73, because 73 plus 1 is 74, and now the answer is 7. So we have two different answers, therefore it is insufficient. The answer would be A.